Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the tutorials on how to run Linux commands using your browser. So in this episode, we are going to look at how to use the JS/UIX terminal. So this is the page for this resource, and this is the link. I will leave this link in the description box so that you can use that to also visit this page. So the JS/UIX is a Unix-like operating system, and it was written in JavaScript. And one great feature about this is that you don't need any plugin to run this. And you also don't need to create an account in order to run the commands on this particular interface. So you can run your Linux commands as a guest. So that is what we are going to do. So on this page here, to run your commands, you need to open a terminal. So this is where you open a terminal. So the second line here that contains the text. So click on Open Terminal. So after clicking on it, you will have this shown here. So here you need to log in. You can log in as a guest or with a username that you want, but let's use guest. So log in, you type guest, and then you are in the Linux environment, or let me see, Unix-like environments. So here, you can just type your commands. Let's say ls. You can just create a directory, Bioinformatics. You can do an ls. It's your Linux commands will just be executed for you. So let's cd. Okay, there's no directory. So let's cd Bioinformatics. Just do a touch to create a file. Yeah, so basically everything, echo, hello, world. Yeah, so it's all about your Linux commands. It makes it very simple and very easy. So you can check out this particular interface just to run some Linux commands if you have some few commands you want to just use. So I think that's also good. So let me also get your views on this, and then we can discuss and have some information as well among ourselves. So just do that in the comment section. So that'll be all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.